Hello students, welcome to all in this virtual classes. This class is meant for the BA first year students. The title of the paper is The Structure of English. Students, in this video we will see or we will learn the voiceless and voiced sounds. There are two different kinds of sounds in English. First one is a voiceless sound and second one is voiced sound. Students, do you know how to recognize voiced and voiceless sounds? Yes, there is a very simple method that by using this method we can understand the voiced and the voiceless sounds. First one is a voiceless sounds. When you make a voiceless sound, your throat doesn't vibrate. And voiced sound, how to recognize it is a voiced sound? When you make a voiced sound, your throat vibrates. Means in the voiceless sound, when you pronounce that particular word or particular letter, your throat doesn't vibrate. Just put your finger on your throat and try to pronounce the sound that is the voiceless sound, and you will examine that by pronouncing that particular sound your throat does not vibrate. Means that such kind of sounds are called voiceless sounds. For example, when you will pronounce the sound of p, just you put your finger on your throat and you can see or you can examine that while pronouncing the p sound your throat does not vibrate. Just you also try to it p, p, and just see that the result is that when you put your finger on your throat and when you pronounce or try to pronounce the particular sound of p, that is a voiceless sound, your throat does not vibrate. It means that p is the voiceless sound. If you see about the voiced sound, means when you make a voiced sound your throat vibrates. For example, when you try to pronounce the particular voiced sound, that is a b, and you can examine that just you try to pronounce the b sound, means b is the voiced sound, and when you pronounce that sound at that time you can examine and you can find out that your throat is vibrating. Means the b is the vibrates or it is the voiced sound. So this is the this is the difference between voiceless and the voiced sound. Means when your throat doesn't vibrate, such kind of sounds are called voiceless sounds, and when your throat vibrates, such kind of sounds are called voiced sounds. These are some voiceless sounds. Means when we pronounce the voiceless sounds p, t, k, p, d, sh, h. Just you also try to examine that when you pronounce this particular sounds, your throat does not vibrate. Means these are the voiceless sounds. Means voiceless sound means what? When your throat, while pronouncing that particular sound, when your throat doesn't vibrate, that type of sounds are called voiceless sounds. When you try to pronounce the p, t, k, ch, f, th, s, sh, h, these voiceless sounds, at that time your throat doesn't vibrate. Means these are called voiceless sounds. Here are some examples of the voiceless sounds like p, pain. It comes in the word of a pain. Then t, it comes in the word of a to. Then k, in this word comes into the word of a kitchen. F, come into the 5. S, selling, shop. Sh comes into the shop word. So here I given all types of all the voiceless examples of the voiceless sounds. Here is the one ch, ch. Ch, this particular sound comes in the word of a chicken. Then k, this comes into the cap. Then t, this sound comes into the tooth. So these are the some examples of the voiceless sounds. Now I think you understood that what is called voiceless sounds. When we pronounce the particular sound, your throat doesn't vibrate. Such kind of sounds are called voiceless sounds. So there are 9 types of voiceless sounds: p, t, k, ch, f, th, s, sh and h. These are the voiceless sounds. Here are the examples of the voiced sounds. What is the meaning of the voiced sounds? Means when in the process of articulating certain sounds, the vocal cords move close to each other loosely, and when the air from the lungs passes through them, the pressure of the air makes them open and close rapidly. This movement is called the vibration of the vocal cords. Such sounds are articulated with the vocal cords vibrating are called voiced sounds. When means it means that whenever you try to pronounce the particular sound, and at that time while pronouncing the particular sound your throat vibrates, such kind of sounds are called voiced sounds. For example, when you pronounce the b, d, g, v, d, z, j, z, at that time your throat vibrates. And if you want to do the experiment, just try to b and put your finger on your throat, and you can examine that your throat is vibrating while pronouncing these particular sounds like b, d, g, v, d, z, j, z. So it means that when your throat is vibrating, getting vibrate, means these all sounds are voiced sounds. Here are some examples of the voiced sound like a book, b, b. This sound comes in the word of a book. Then d, it comes in the word of day. Then g, ghost, v, vase, z, zebra, the, this. So here are some many examples, just you can read out and you can observe this all types of examples. Actually these are all total 15 types of voiced sounds in English. Here is given every voiceless sound has a similar voiced sound. All the voiceless sound has a similar voiced sound like a p, b. These are the similarity. There is something somewhere else there is a similarity between p and b. Means voiceless and voiced sound. There is a similarity between the voiceless and the voiced sounds. Here are some that type of sounds are I have mentioned here that has the particular similarity. Means p, b, t, d, k, g, f, v, th, d, s, j, sh, j, z, z. So there is a particular similarity between these voiceless and the voiced sounds. Here are the 8 pairs of the sounds, that voiceless and the voiced. P, b, t, d, k, g, p, v, th, d, s, sh, j, z and z. These are the 8 pairs of the sounds, voiceless and the voiced sounds. Here is the voiceless sounds p, t, k, p, th, s, sh and z. And when you can learn the 8 voiceless sounds to improve your pronunciations. Not only 8 but all the pronunciations you can try to pronounce proper way, and to learn the pronunciation or to improve your English pronunciation you must study all the voiced and voiceless sounds. Thank you students. I hope you have understood the voiceless and the voiced sounds and what is the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds. If you are not able to understand, you can review the video saying thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.